Today, Leo is visiting the dentist. He had a toothache yesterday. Many children feel scared of dentists, but today Leo will learn something important. Let's see what happens at the clinic.
Mom, I am a little scared.
It's okay, Leo. The dentist will help you.
Yes, son. Dentists help our teeth stay healthy.
Will it hurt?
No, the doctor will check your teeth first.
And remember, the dentist is very friendly.
Okay, I will try to be brave.
Good afternoon. How can I help you?
Hello, my son Leo has a toothache. We have an appointment with Dr. Smith.
Yes, Mr. Daniel. The doctor is ready. Please sit for a minute.
Thank you.
Mom, my tooth still hurts.
I know, Leo. The doctor will check it soon.
Good afternoon, Dr. Smith.
Good afternoon. Hello, Leo.
Hello, doctor.
How are you feeling today?
My tooth hurts a lot.
Don't worry. Let me take a look. Open your mouth, please. I see the problem.
Doctor, what happened?
Leo has a small cavity.
What is a cavity?
It happens when we eat too many sweets. Leo, do you eat a lot of chocolates?
Yes, I love chocolates.
And sometimes he forgets to brush at night.
I am sorry.
That's okay, Leo. But brushing is very important. You must brush your teeth 2 times every day.
Morning and night?
Yes, exactly. Now I will clean the tooth.
Will it hurt?
No, it will be quick. All done.
That was fast.
See, Leo? You were very brave.
I am proud of you.
Leo, remember 3 things. Brush twice every day. Eat less chocolate. Visit the dentist regularly.
I will remember.
Good boy.
Hello, Mr. Daniel.
Hello. How much is the doctor's fee?
The consultation fee is $20.
Okay. Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course. You can pay by card or cash.
I will pay by card.
Please tap your card here.
Sure.
Payment successful. Here is your receipt.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Is everything done?
Yes, I paid the doctor's fee.
Mom, my tooth feels better.
That's good, Leo. Very good.
But remember the doctor's advice.
Brush every morning, brush every night, and eat fewer chocolates.
Very good.
Now let's go home.
Yes, let's go home.
Max will be waiting for us. Leo, chocolates are tasty, but too many are not good.
Healthy food and brushing teeth keep your smile strong.
I understand now.
What will you do tonight?
Brush my teeth before sleep.
That's great.
That's our smart boy.
Dear learners,
Did you understand the conversation?
try repeating these sentences.
Practice every day.
Slowly, your English will improve. See you
See you
in
in
the
the
next
next
episode.
episode.